Hi everyone, my name is Rahul. Today I will tell you how to earn $1,000 per day by using only your smartphone and having a little time. Before we start the video, I recommend my free Telegram channel. Subscribers or my channel actively earn money with me. Go to my channel from the video description. We are waiting for you. To make money on the cryptocurrencies, do you need to be a guru and constantly sit at the computer? No. It is enough to understand the principles of operation and have a smartphone at hand. Just follow me and repeat these 4 steps and to earn your first $100 in cryptocurrency. It's enough to look at your mobile phone once a day on the way to work. First, I will show you all the technical ways to get money on the exchanges, how to trade and earn, how to withdraw money, and only after that we will show you how to choose the bitcoins, the coins that are most likely to help you earn and not lose the entire budget. We will do all this on the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange. We went in, registered and verified. If something does not work out at this stage, write to the support service. They will help you complete this step. After that, you can download and log in into the app. After that, be sure to upgrade to the Pro version. Only it has full functionality. And here is the first step. How to top up your account? Go to the wallet in the lower right corner. Select the Add-ons tab at the top and select P2P method. At the moment, I will show you exactly this method, how to top up your account using the exchanges. You can see in this video. So now our task is to top up our account and buy USDT. This is an analog of the dollar. In the cryptocurrency world, everything is quite simple with which we trade. That is, first we buy crypto dollar USDT and exchange it for the crypto other currencies, earning money. There is a buy tab at the top. At this moment, I have Hirunvia and I buy, for example, 500 Hirunvia. Confirmation. Now I choose a way, confirm, and our task today is to choose for whom we can do this. On the other hand, some people offer to sell. Our task is to buy, their task is to sell. Everything is very simple, but we should pay attention to the number of the transaction and the percentage transaction. As a rule, the first option fit perfectly. Click on the buy button and select the desired amount of the USD 500. Buy USDT. As you can see, click pay and make the payment. Select the payment method and read carefully what you got. Our task is to pay the other party and write down what you paid. You pay, come back, click paid, and while you are writing, you can log into the chat and see the status. You specify the order as you paid and wait for the seller's confirmation and transfer of the fund. Bingo! The money has been received. Step number 2 is to buy at a low and sell at a high market price. You are buying what is currently being sold on the market. This is also known as a spot. You need to get used to it and know it's safe. Now, in order to trade, you need to transfer money from a wallet called a deposit to a spot wallet. This is an important point, but many people overlook it. Log in into your wallet, make a deposit and transfer the money. Select the transfer of the money from the deposit to the spot. Spot is a common transaction that is currently taking place on the exchange. I saw these transactions and some other ways to earn money on my free Telegram channel. At the end of this video, I will talk about one golden rule in the cryptocurrency to make such transactions and not exhaust your budget, because the risk in cryptocurrencies are very high. Step 3. Place an order. In other words, place an order on the exchange to buy certain cryptocurrency or sell this cryptocurrency at a specific price. This way you don't have to constantly sit and monitor the chart. Let's say you bought Bitcoin for $20,000 and want to sell it for $40,000. If we give this exchange a task, they will do everything for us. To give the exchange such a task, we go to the spot, buy and place a limit order only here. In fact, this is a task. At what rate we want to buy a particular currency. In the upper left corner, select the currency you want to buy. Bitcoin is currently selected, but you can also choose either. Write an abbreviation here to find it. You can also use the Bitcoin. For example, the current Bitcoin exchange rate is 38,962. For example, you want to buy Bitcoin when they are cheap. For example, give the exchange a task. Once Bitcoin reaches 38,000, buy it for 50. For example, if it costs $45,000, sell it for 50. Then you transfer the 45,000 Bitcoin dollar in the exchange to sell it for 50. The profit goes everyone's pocket. Ladies and gentlemen, this way of making money on the cryptocurrency, of course, takes a lot of time. However, this is a unique way to earn money Binary option trading on my personal VIP channels, I share 100% working signal for trading. All you have to do is repeat my trades and withdraw your money. All the necessary information is in the description. It's time to say goodbye. See you soon.